Today I have another easy keto chaffle recipe for you. Hi, I'm Annie from KetoFocus.com, and today I've teamed up with ChocZero, and I'm going to show you how to make a keto sausage chaffle. Now this chaffle recipe is perfect for breakfast, and it's one that you can prep up ahead of time. So if you're a meal prepper like I am, you can make up a big batch of these chaffles on, say, Sunday morning and then eat them throughout the week. To make this recipe, everything's gonna be made in a large bowl. You're gonna need to add 1 pound of ground sausage, 1/3 cup of coconut flour, 1 cup of shredded cheese, 2 eggs, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Either using some clean hands or some gloves, mix this together with your hands until it's fully combined. And then we're gonna scoop some out and put it onto our preheated waffle maker. So my scoop holds around like 1/4 of a cup, or maybe it's 3 tablespoons to 4 tablespoons worth of mix. And then place that on your waffle maker, press it down, and let it cook for around 4 minutes. Once your sausage chaffle is done cooking, remove it and continue on with the rest of the mix. I like to top these with ChocZero's maple syrup. Their syrups are always sugar-free and sugar alcohol-free. They're delicious, and the combination of the maple with the cheese and the sausage is delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Make sure you tag ChocZero with all of your photos of your sausage chaffles.